Dear friends and colleagues, it's my pleasure and honor to welcome you on board the 16th Emirates Critical Care Conference, Dubai 2020. In conjunction, there will be the 16th World Federation of the Critical Care Nurses Congress, which will be running together from the 2nd to the 4th of April 2020. We will be having the second Middle East Neurocritical Care Chapter, which will be running through a track, the ENLS and other workshops. Many workshops, many courses alongside the program, which will be running over 10 tracks from 2nd to 4th April. Looking forward to see you all, welcoming you in Dubai.